While my son was taking a nap, I felt like it was the perfect time for me to practice photography in the house. Today I decided to take pictures of our money tree because I felt like that was one of the more nicer things that I didn't really have to do a whole lot of setup with. So here I'm just practicing a couple different shots, and now I'm doing some little edits around the different pictures I took. I will have my final edits at the end of the video, but these are just some of the little things that I've learned so far. I do a lot of my learning off of YouTube and TikTok, but I try to figure it all out on my own a little bit too, just to have a little bit of trial and error and develop my own style. If you guys could, I would love some criticism, and I would love some tricks and tips that you guys would like to give, especially for somebody who's trying to learn without going to take any like formal classes or devote a whole lot of time, because I do have a son, so I do have to manage my time a little more wisely. Also, if you guys want me to try different things, I'd be more than happy to give it a try, especially if it's going to better my photography, my art, or help somebody else do it. I would really appreciate it, and I hope somebody else will too. Anyways, here are the final products, and thanks for watching.